Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can create an account on Lineman application. So without wasting any time, let's start our video. First of all, you need to go to the Play Store or App Store to download Lineman application. Once you do that, you need to open the application. Once you open the application, it will show you this interface. From here, you need to agree to the terms and conditions. And privacy policy, you need to scroll down all the way, then the agree will appear here. You need to tap on that one, and you need to log in with your Line because this is an extension of Line application. So you need to tap on login with Line. So it will bring you here, and all you need to do is to allow all these important permission. You need to allow, and as you can see, now we are logging in to our Lineman application. From here, you need to accept and consent, and you need to allow the notification while using the application. So guys, there you have it. Now you can see this is the first interface that you will see of Lineman application. So guys, this is all it takes to create an account on Lineman application. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care.